Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's vlog. In today's episode, we have over here the entire Supreme Nike SB Dunk Low collection that was recently released. They came in 4 colorways if I'm not mistaken, and the overall design is inspired by the high top dunks that they released as a collaboration in 2003 with the starry, star aesthetic. So in today's episode, we'll go over all 4, check them out, and I'll share with you which one is my favorite. Also, let me know what you guys think is the best colorway among the 4. Let's go! By the way, these sneakers were sent over by our good friends over from Sole Republiq. If you are looking for grails, if you're looking for some of the very best hard-to-find sneakers, make sure to check them out. I actually did a recent video unboxing a Jordan 1 that they sent over, which sold for like over $20,000, which was the Jordan 1 Shinedown. If you guys missed that, I will link it down below. Anyway, on to the dunks. So this is the first pair that we have. All of the sneakers come in this purple and white box. This one is actually in the mean green color. So here is what the shoe looks like. Let's give a moment for the camera to focus. As you guys can see, the interesting thing about it is that star design, which you see on the side panel over here, which you can also find on the other side of the shoe. When it comes to the leather upper, you have a croc skin overlay, which you can find with the green color, which also extends to the eyelets over here, as well as the swoosh, which you can find on both sides. If you take a look at the heel of the shoe, you have Nike embroidered in gold, which is the same color that you can find with the stars, as well as that Supreme Dubre over here and the Nike logo here on the tongue tab. If you take a look at the insole, it does come with your typical red Supreme color. So you have the Supreme logo with the red background. Also comes with this hang tag with Supreme's logo, world famous, which you can also find written on the tips of the laces. So this is the first color, which is mean green. It does come with black laces, but you can also swap it out for green colored laces as well. Let me know what you guys think of this particular colorway down below. Is it your favorite or is it a pass for you? Hit the comments. Let's take a look at the next shoe, which we have over here, which is the Hyper Royal. So as the name implies, this is your typical blue color that Nike and Jordan brand popularized. But for this one, as you can see, it's the same overall design. The only thing different is really the color. You still have the stars, you still have the Supreme Dubre, the Nike embroidered logo, even the insole is still red, still comes with the hang tag. The big difference really is the colorway. Instead of that mean green, we have the croc skin overlay with that deep blue, which is the Hyper Royal blue. Both sneakers side by side. Again, they come with black laces, but you should be able to swap them out for blue if that is your thing. So let me know what you guys think. Is this better than the mean green? Is this your favorite? Is this your Nike Supreme SB Dunk Low choice? Hit the comments. So let's set this shoe aside and let's get to the third. Wow. The third one, this one is called, I think this is, I don't know what color this is. So anyway, let's just pop it open. Third shoe in the collection. Okay. Wow. This is the black color. So as you can see, let's let the camera focus for a bit. As you guys can see, you have the stars, you have the black croc skin overlay on both sides, that swoosh, Nike logo embroidered at the back, Supreme Dubre you can find over here at the laces. Really nice shoe. Wow. This one is probably the easiest to wear and the most classic because you have the panda vibe going in in here, the only big, accent would be the stars that you can find on both quarter panels. But I'm really liking this one. I have a strong affinity, I guess, for, the more simpler stuff. Let me know what you guys think of the black colorway of the Nike Supreme SB Dunk Low. Hit the comments. Is this your favorite? Is this not for you? Let me know in the comment section. I guess parang it boils down to two schools of thought. Do you want your shoe to be really loud and get attention? Then if that's the case, then you should be probably going towards the mean green, which is like the loudest among the bunch. If you want something more subtle, you can go with this one. The last color, I think this is like called the Barkroot brown, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Barkroot brown. Barkroot brown, that's what it's called. So let's pop it open. As the name implies, this is more towards the brown color. But it does use the same styling, guys, the same materials. You do have the overlay of the croc skin, the same stars, the same braid, the same embroidery. Again, you can swap it out for brown laces if that's your thing, but the default is black laces. So that's like the last shoe in the collection. So what do you think? If you were to rank, siguro we can do that. If you were to rank all 4 shoes, which would be your least favorite and which would be your ultimate favorite? I'll try to do that now while you guys make up your mind and type in the comment section. Okay, so we now have all 4 of the Supreme Nike Dunk Lows over here in the 4 colorways. If I were to rank them one by one, my least favorite, or the one that I would probably not get, would be the Mean Green. I think I have enough loud shoes in my collection already. But if you guys want an accent screamer shoe, this would be the one to go for. The next one would probably be the brown one, the Barkroot brown. This would be number 3. Number 2 would definitely be the Hyper Royal, because it is such a classic colorway. And my number 1 pick among the 4, no doubt, is the black one. This, for me, is like the best in the collection. But again, it depends where you are in your collection. It depends where you are in your phase as a sneaker collector or a sneakerhead or a shoe enthusiast. It really depends, no? I guess I've been through the phase where I wanted all the loud stuff, and I have a couple already in the collection. And at this point in my collecting career, where I'm more discerning, I'd really go for the ones that I can wear often. And this black-white one, for me, among the bunch, is the easiest to wear. Can go with a lot of outfits. And that would be the same thing for the blue one, I think. And it goes all the way down to the green one, which for me would be a little bit harder to wear. So what about you guys? Let me know what you think. Which of the 4 do you like the most? Hit the comment section down below and let me know. I'll try my best to reply to as many of you. And lastly, maraming salamat to our friends. Thank you to our friends from Sole Republiq, Philippines, for sending over the shoes so we can unbox them and I can share them with you. Their shop over at Uptown Mall BGC is actually open, but given the pandemic, I would highly recommend that you guys check them out on Instagram. And if you want to order shoes, just DM them and let them know, ask for the prices, ask for the process on how you can get the shoes delivered to you. That's actually it for this quick vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom. So, okay ba end credit sa vlog ko? Usually, it's cooking. So, welcome to another segment of Carlo Cooks. And ang lulutuin natin today, steak. So, this steak has already been marinated, as you guys can see. So, we used your typical salt and black pepper lang. And then what we'll do is we'll get like a cast iron pan. Painitin natin yon, salpak natin yung steak, tapos yun, kain. Pagdating sa steak, yung pinaka-okay talaga yung cast iron pan. Now, usually, you're not supposed to wash this. Napanood ko, dapat parang asin. Pero nabugbog na namin yan eh. Eventually, you have to replace it. But it's the only cast iron pan that we have. So, yeah. When it comes to butter, ito yung current favorite ko, which is garlic and herb butter na Kerrygold. So, you get this from Healthy Options. So, okay naman. But you can use whatever butter that you guys have. Panalo! Bango! Is served.